Did you spend the weekend giving out about your job? Did you spend time with your friends giving out to them about your job? You never actually chose your job. It just happened. Is it actually what you want to do? And is it definitely making you happy? You've got to be doing something that you like to do, and you've got to choose it. Your work should really fulfill you. If it's not, then you've got to think about why. We all make changes in work. Some of us make really dramatic, cool, interesting changes. Perhaps it's the time for you to do that. Think about what you aspire to do at work. Is it what you're doing? Our aspirations can change, but you've got to keep them there. Are you being valued? Will your job continue to value you? Have you got aspirations that exceed what your job can do for you right now? I'm sure they told you that maybe it's time to change, and now I'm going to tell you too, it's definitely time to change.